Hey, what's up guys? This is Tamil again, and in this video I want to talk to you about how to use attraction marketing strategies for online business startup or for anyone who wants to start an online business, especially if you're in the home business arena. And if you're in the home business arena, then you need to know how to attract people who you want to work with, and I'm going to give you my top 3 ways to get those people to reaching out to you. Now, if you don't know, I built my business online, so if you're building your business online as well, then it really doesn't matter where you promote your business, whether it's on social media sites, or maybe you're creating blog posts, maybe through paid ads, using video, or whatever the platform. The rules for attracting people online is virtually the same. So my number 1 tip for you is that you have to become a giver. You need to be able to create value and to be able to give it away. And I can't stress this enough that as an online business owner and you're promoting your business online, you need to give away valuable information. You have to focus on constantly giving away things. And the reason why you want to do that is because when you give away valuable information, people see you as a valuable resource. People begin to trust you more, and they don't see you as strictly as, someone that just wants to make a sale and just want to take their money. So if you haven't been doing this, then you need to start providing solutions to your customers, or if you're in the network marketing industry, then you need to start providing valuable information to other distributors. And you should be becoming a problem solver. Focus on becoming a problem solver. Teach people to do something that you've learned and, help them solve some of their biggest problems. And one way that you can do this is by creating content. So that could be through a video like the one that I have right here, maybe creating blog content, free trainings, creating PDFs and guides to give away to people. You want to give that valuable information away because you instantly become an authority in your market when you do that. And speaking of authority, that brings me to tip number 2. You have to become an authority or an expert, and give away that free information. People that do this are leaders, people that have valuable information, that are extremely knowledgeable, and they give it away. Maybe they got it through training from others. They take that information, they implement it, they get results, and then they share it with other people. You become an expert in your field, and people love you for that. People want you to be able to share that information with them and help them get success. So, when you attract people online, you want to be that authority figure. You want to become that go-to person, the leader that helps everybody reach their goal. So now that's going to lead me to my last tip, which is tip number 3 for you, which is that you should position yourself online by marketing your business like a professional. And when you market your business like a professional, this is where, the success really rolls in. You should be learning how to build an audience online without spamming like crazy. Then you need to know how to engage that audience and keep them coming back for more valuable information. You need to provide for them. Then you finally need to learn how to sell to that audience. And the only way that you can do this is by getting the proper training that teaches you, how to effectively market and attract your ideal customer, or for that matter, even your ideal business partner. So if you're wondering, where you can go to learn, how to do these things, how to, start a blog, how to build your email list, how to generate leads online, on social media for your online business, then I encourage you to check out a system that I'm using, and that's been teaching me basically what I just taught you a second ago. You need to learn how to attract interested people, to get more leads, to make more sales for your business. So, go ahead, go down to the description, click the link in the description so that you can get access to that system. And lastly, I will be sending you a free training because I like to give away free trainings all the time. That's going to help you, build your business. So make sure that you look out for that as well. All right, guys. Well, I hope you got a lot of value out of this information. I hope you can take some of these strategies and basically implement them in your business. And I hope that you enjoyed this video as well. All right, well, take this information, run with it, and I will see you on the next video.
That